Today we visit Joe Calabro, chef and owner of the Italian pastry shop on Preston Street.
Hello, how you doing? Oh, it's my hair. Welcome to my shop. Right now I'm just prepping some cakes, heart-shaped with cookies. This is the setup. One is going to be raspberry, one is going to be strawberry, one is going to be blueberry. And then we're going to decorate it for it. So it's basically very simple. I mean, you assemble with buttercream. I use a buttercream white chocolate for it, and jams in between. So it's a two-layer. So the top is going to be all fruits and chocolate. Here that I'm using is apricot glaze. All right, I know it's very simple. Basically, you gotta also figure out what your customers love and like, and how much they're willing to pay. You know, even though you're doing your food costing, you got a little bit of green. So something like this. Simple, it's buttercream, white chocolate, fruit and everything.
So this would retail for about $40.
That's right. And always, people love chocolate, so as long as they see chocolate.
So if there's one thing you could tell the class about preparing food and running your business, what do you think the most important thing is? If there's one thing they need to know.
Well, first of all, owning a business, it's going to be 24/7. That means when you're home, you're thinking about the business, what's going to happen, how you do things, and basically you got to be hands-on and make sure you have a good plan, backup plan, and to follow. Because basically, you know, if you have a girlfriend or if you're married and you want to open a business, the business itself is going to be your wife. That's how you have to look at it. Because if you have a wife, she takes a shower, she gets dressed, she puts the makeup. You don't have to do anything. When you own a business, the business, she has no hands. So basically, you got to dress her up, you got to wash her. You gotta put the makeup on, make sure everything is running smooth. And that's what business is all about. So don't look at it, you still have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy it when you do it. It's hard work, but you have to enjoy it. And if you're not, you're gonna get burned out within a couple of years. So make sure you have your finances. First of all, that. Make sure you have your credit, make sure you know people. It's all about trust in the business. And with different companies, it's all about trust, building a relation so that in case you're needy, you can communicate and, you know, put everything on the table and they'll help you, they'll adjust. But if you're playing too smart for your own good, then you're going to get burned yourself because this community is small, everyone knows each other, and it's all about relationships and trust. So that's your business plan. It's not easy.